ASUS ProArt Mouse is the first mouse that works with ASUS Dial, allowing you to work with creative apps in the most natural way possible, giving you intuitive controls and the precision required by creative workflows. The programmable ASUS Dial and side-scroll wheel on ProArt Mouse rotate freely in either direction and include push-to-click functions. ASUS Style allows you to easily access control parameters and make precise changes in creative apps such as Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom Classic, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. Enable the immediate access pop-up ASUS Style overlay with one click, in which you can easily change brush size, change saturation, adjust layer opacity, rapidly undo actions, and much more. It's also compatible with Microsoft Dial, so you can use it to adjust screen brightness, volume, and so on. With the two multifunctional dials, you can assign both of them each on side-scroll wheel and the physical ASUS Dial to maximize your efficiency. ASUS Dial currently works with Adobe Photoshop, where you can change brush size and switch between layers intuitively for a more streamlined workflow. In Lightroom Classic, you can easily adjust color balance and tone to get the best out of your photos. Working in Premiere Pro, you can jog through the scenes, quickly adjust audio tracks, and enjoy seamless video editing. For After Effects, a quick turn of the dial lets you navigate the timeline and zoom in. Adding special effects has never been this easy. Plus, ASUS Style is fully customizable, and we're working with software developers to introduce more compatible apps in the near future. In this video, we'll guide you through customizing ASUS Style for Photoshop, so you can level up your creative workflow. First, tap to open the Armory Crate app. You'll see the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click on the Buttons tab, and you'll be able to customize the dial, side-scroll wheel, middle button, and more. You can also go more in depth with app-specific ASUS Dial functions in the corresponding tab. Here, we'll show you how to set up ASUS Dial. Start by going to the ASUS Dial settings. In this tab, you'll see two different settings: System Functions for controlling system-wide functions and specific settings for Adobe apps. Next, use the drop-down menu to select the app you'll use with ASUS Dial. We'll be using Photoshop for this demo. This is where you can add your preferred functions by tapping the Add Group and Add Function buttons for each app. To streamline your workflow, there are up to 80 different functions available. For example, in Photoshop, you can group brush-related options together, such as brush size, brush hardness, and brush opacity. You can also add individual functions like layer zoom, set font size, or switch documents. They can be arranged in sequence depending on your preferences to suit your creative needs. Once you've done customizing your ASUS Dial functions for Photoshop, tap Save and Apply. Click the physical dial on ProArt Mouse to bring up the ASUS Dial overlay on screen, where you can see all the customized functions you've set for Photoshop. ASUS Dial puts all the actions and functions you need in a single device, so you can enjoy a more efficient workflow and let your creativity flow.